Curtains are one of the most underrated elements in home design. They can completely transform a room, making it feel taller, brighter, cozier, or more luxurious, all without spending a fortune. Whether you're decorating your first apartment or giving your home a small makeover, learning how to choose and hang curtains the right way can make a huge difference. In this video, we'll explore simple and practical tips to help you pick the perfect curtains, style them like a designer, and hang them beautifully on any budget. Choosing the right fabric. The first step in selecting curtains like a pro is understanding the importance of fabric. The fabric not only controls how much light enters your space, but also sets the tone of your entire room. Lighter fabrics such as cotton, linen, or sheer voile create a soft and airy atmosphere, perfect for bedrooms or living rooms where you want natural light to filter through. On the other hand, heavier materials like velvet or thick polyester blends add a sense of luxury and warmth, making them great for formal areas or spaces where you want more privacy. Always feel the texture before buying. A curtain that drapes softly will always look more elegant. And if you live in a warm climate, breathable fabrics will help keep your home cool and fresh. Picking the perfect color and pattern. When it comes to color, think about the mood you want to create. Neutral shades like beige, white, and gray are timeless and match almost any decor. They make small rooms feel open and airy. For a bold statement, go for deeper tones such as navy, emerald, or maroon, which bring depth and sophistication to your space. Patterns are another way to show your personality. If your room already has patterned furniture or wallpapers, choose solid curtains to balance the look. But if your room feels too plain, patterned curtains can add character and texture. Subtle stripes or geometric prints can make your ceilings look higher, while floral designs can bring warmth and softness. Selecting the right curtain length. Length is what truly separates a professional look from an average one. The golden rule is to hang your curtains as high as possible, ideally a few inches below the ceiling line rather than just above the window frame. This creates the illusion of taller walls and larger windows. As for the bottom, there are a few styles you can choose from. Curtains that just touch the floor look clean and modern, while those that slightly puddle on the floor create a romantic, luxurious vibe. For kitchens or bathrooms, shorter curtains that stop just below the sill are more practical. Whatever you choose, make sure both sides are even. A perfectly measured curtain always looks polished and intentional. Choosing the right curtain rod. The curtain rod might seem like a small detail, but it plays a big role in how your curtains look overall. A thin or flimsy rod can make even the most beautiful curtains look cheap, while a sturdy, well-chosen one can elevate the entire room. Always extend your rod at least 4 to 6 inches beyond each side of the window. This allows the curtains to open fully and makes your window appear wider. Choose a color and finish that complements your decor. Matte black or brushed gold are modern favorites, while wood tones can bring warmth to traditional or boho-style homes. Layering curtains for a luxurious look. If you want your windows to look more luxurious without spending too much, layering is the secret. Combine sheer curtains with heavier drapes to get both style and function. Sheers allow soft daylight during the day, while thick drapes give privacy and insulation at night. This double-layered look adds depth and texture, just like in high-end hotel rooms. You can even mix colors. For example, pair white sheers with beige or gray outer panels for a calm, modern look. Use double curtain rods or special brackets to hang both layers neatly. It's an easy way to bring designer elegance into your home. How to hang curtains like a professional. Hanging curtains properly is an art. Start by measuring the height and width of your window carefully. Once you know your measurements, install the rod brackets high above the frame, usually halfway between the ceiling and the top of the window. After that, make sure your panels are wide enough. Ideally, Your curtains should be about 1.5 to 2 times the width of the window so they look full when closed. Avoid narrow panels that hang flat. They can make the space feel unfinished. When you hang the curtains, let them fall naturally. Adjust the pleats gently with your hands so they sit evenly. Take a few minutes to steam or iron any wrinkles. It's a small touch, but it makes your curtains look crisp, professional, and photo-ready. Budget-friendly curtain hacks. You don't need to spend a lot to make your windows look beautiful. One smart tip is to use affordable fabric and get it custom stitched to the perfect size instead of buying expensive ready-made options. You can also shop at discount stores or online sales. Many offer high-quality curtains at half the price. If you already have old curtains, consider giving them a second life. Add a decorative trim, tieback, or new curtain rings to refresh their look. Another clever hack is to use tension rods or clip rings for easy installation without drilling holes. These small touches can make a big difference, giving your space that designer finishes while staying on a budget. Light control and privacy tips. Curtains aren't just for decoration. They also help control light and privacy. In sunny rooms, blackout curtains are a great option because they block heat and UV rays, keeping your space cool. Sheer curtains, on the other hand, allow daylight while maintaining a level of privacy. For bedrooms, a combination of sheer and blackout panels gives you the best of both worlds. In living areas, you can use lighter fabrics to create a cozy, inviting glow. Always think about how much natural light your room gets before choosing the curtain type. The right balance will make your home feel comfortable both day and night. Styling tips and accessories. Don't forget the small styling details. They can take your curtain setup from simple to stunning. Use tiebacks or decorative ropes to gather the curtains elegantly when open. A well-placed curtain holder or tassel can make the window area look intentional and balanced. You can also experiment with layering textures. For instance, pairing a soft linen curtain with a metallic rod creates a blend of warmth and sophistication. Always keep symmetry in mind. Neatly aligned curtains bring harmony to any space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interior design trends and home decor inspiration.